Welcome back to another AME video tutorial in which we will be covering the multi-tenancy features of Alert Manager Enterprise. Multi-tenancy has been a part of AME architecture since day one, meaning everything in the AME ecosystem is built with multi-tenancy in mind. Multi-tenancy is a great feature if you are running a managed security service such as an MSSP. Multi-tenancy applies to all aspects of AME. Each tenant can have their own isolated templates, rules, notifications, and so forth. Additionally, contextual information such as tags can be shared across multiple tenants if required. Also, if you are a customer that has multiple internal business units sharing a search head, such as your operations and your security teams, the multi-tenancy feature can be used to completely isolate the data between these different teams. AME roles and permissions are sourced from the roles and permissions defined in Splunk Enterprise. Simply put, this means that you can use whichever backend authentication provider you currently have in Splunk and map these to AME roles and permissions. For example, role-based access control can be employed by provisioning groups for your users and roles, and mapping users to these roles in your system of choice. LDAP, SAML, as well as many other providers are supported by Splunk, and users from these systems can be mapped to roles within AME. As mentioned, multi-tenancy is also a feature that is very attractive to MSSPs, providers of managed security services to many customers, requiring them to do so securely, often using shared infrastructure amongst different customers. Almost every feature and functionality of AME is covered by multi-tenancy, and all AME Splunk indexes and KV stores are modeled independently between tenants. Thank you for watching.